Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You have the essentials: account, access, and a clear goal. First, sign in and verify two-factor authentication. This secures your session. Once logged in, open the PAT Chatbot interface and pick a template if you want structure, or tap New Chat to start freeform. Set a concise goal, what outcome you need, and select language and voice settings. This ensures responses match your intent and tone. Now, enter a focus starter, prompt to kick the conversation into productive mode. Now guide the bot. Give short, specific prompts and include examples or constraints so it understands format and scope. If the output is too long or too formal, change tone or length settings. Make sure to ask for bullet lists, summaries, or code blocks as needed. Once the bot responds, probe with clarifying questions, request revisions, add context, or narrow the focus. Iteration is key. Refine prompts based on each reply until the answer matches your goal and is ready to use. Finish by verifying the chatbot's output for accuracy and tone. Edit any details that need precision. Once satisfied, export or copy the final text and save the chat for reference. Set reminders if you need follow-ups. If the bot drifts or misunderstands, reset the conversation context and rephrase your prompt with clearer constraints or reduce complexity. Make sure to check account settings and connectivity. If problems persist, log out and back in to refresh your session and try a brief, simplified prompt.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.